Hello crafty friends, today I want to share with you what I made with my kabudo. I started with the wax seal stamp and I made this card, quite simple, and with the embossing folder of the month that's called Autumn Chevron, I made this card, another very simple one. I hope you can see the design. I left I embossed just on the top and the bottom, leaving some in the middle to foil my message. I foil first. This is the clear stamp and dies of the month, and I made this card. Again, I've got on the background the chevron, autumn chevron, and the post I used the post-it edge for post-it edges. Sorry, this is the glimmer of the month that is called Friendly Thanks, and I used some ribbon in the middle as well, and as a background I used the 3D embossing folder of the month. With the stencil of the month that is called Colorful Pumpkin, I made the colorful pumpkins. And then I cut the panel and redesign it in a panel of gold cardstock. And with the 3D embossing folder of the month, I made this card by embossing in gold cardstock. I add some flowers and gems, and that's it. That's the stitching die of the month that is called Stitch Sunflower. And I made half sunflower stitched, and I use some stuff. The thanks is from my stash, it's from my old stitch die of the month. No, little, what do you call not little, small die of the month, sorry. And with this small die of the month for this month, I made 3 cards because I was enjoying myself too much. This is interactive one. It's got some light, so if you press the heart, the pumpkin illuminated. Very small, that one, very cute. And then I made this card that I love with I made a girl and a boy scarecrow, and I used some stuff from my stash again, the flower and the greens behind. And this one again with the small die of the month, and it's so cute. I think it's adorable. I use the banner is from my stash, a die from my stash, and that's it. That's the card I made with the so far. I still have a free to make. Sorry, free to use. Still have to use the better press. I can't wait. The large die of the month and the little kabudo gift. So I'll see you soon.